Hi friends, welcome to my channel Ways of Farming India. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. And today, this is my second batch. I have started second batch after so many days. So I made this setting by using PVC pipes. Some of our friends was asked me how you have made the PVC pipe mesh or some setup. So for that I'm making this video. So how I prepared mesh by using PVC pipes. Okay. So first what I have do is mostly I'm using T junctions and only 4L, not 4, it is 8 L shaped things to make the things. So this is 2 feet and this is also 2 feet. So obviously it will also come 2 feet. So 2 feet, 2 feet, 2 feet. So total 6 feet of height, and this is 2 feet. Because my stand is only 2.5 feet, so I made for 2 feet. I suggest it should be in the 3 feet. Height should be in 6 feet and width is 4 feet. So I made by using 8L and 16, most probably 1, 2, 3, 4 into 4, 16 T junctions. So if you are having these things we need 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, so 8. So 8 3 feet and 1, 2, 3 into 4 12. So 12 2 feet things, and this is 4 feet. So 4 feet things 4 and 16 T junctions, and you need 8 L junctions. So you can make this by using PVC pipes. And this is also good stand for our tube lights. So mine I am using only tube lights for lighting, because I am not having authorized to put outside because I am in rented. And this is inside the cage, you can see. So these are recently one minute. These are the recently one. So these are the already dried ones. So these are the attractants. You can see this is attractant. So this is one of my best idea, that I have an attractant, and I am using attractant for only attract the back scissor fly. Let us say if you are using some other things like rice bran or something, flies will come, you dip into them and it will die. So I made a solution that I am using some cloth type of bag, and I am putting and I am rubber banding it. Then I put, I am putting on that box. Inside the box we are having attractant, and my attractant is rice, means rice food. So this is giving so much smell, and that smell you cannot even imagine. And this is also that type of thing, you can see. So these are my egg collectors, you can see here. So thankful to God, and thanking to God that I have started collecting eggs also. It may be in little things, but it is very encouraging to me, and I just brought new thing. My budget is very low, so that I made closings by using needles only. So what I will do is I will close the things like this. You can go or you can do by zips. So my budget is too low, so I am just using this. This is enough for closing. You need not like mosquito mesh closing, because these flies are not too much active. Well, compared to mosquitoes and house flies, these will not escape even if you are having this type of things. So you just need only 2 or 3 needles to close it. That's it. You can see here. So this is my setup, and once again I am thanking to all who are supporting me. and I will give you again brief about my cage. And this cage is having 6 feet height, 4 feet width, and mine is having 2 feet length. So you can put it for 3 feet. So let us assume we are having 3 feet. So you need 8 3 feet PVC pipes, 1 2 3 4, and the other side. So 8 3 feet things and 4 feet things, 1 2 backside 2. So 4 feet things, and you need 2 feet things, 12. So 1 2 3 into 4, 12. So some people may ask you why you don't have to from top to bottom only one thing, and why all you need these things is. I have already tried, that is not successful because this PVC pipe is not having holding capacity of too much height, so it will be bending down. So that I have used these things, I have cut these things and I put some joints so that my structure is sturdy and very strong. And if you are having like that only one bend, if you are moving like this, it will squeeze like this, it will move, so it will not be in steady position. And use sunlight, or else you can use the tube lights. I am using LED lights of 20 watt. We will be giving approximately 6000 Kelvin, 10,000 Kelvin of lighting. My previous setup was having 3 tube lights. Now also I am having 3 tube lights. So you can be having 3, or I am suggesting 4. So any people who may ever having like this type of cages, you can give me suggestions. Okay, thank you for me to support all the things and giving me the valuable information all over Facebook and YouTube. And mostly I'm thanking to Facebook for giving me more encouragement. I'm getting so much encouragement from India, all over India, and thank you for all to support me.